मुस्तफा खुश की क्लास में है क्या? अरे भाई आ गया, अभी भाई से पूछ लो। क्या आया? इनकी आपकी क्लास है क्या? मेरी फिटनेस क्लास है ना 12 बजे। तुम लोग की फिटनेस क्लास थी ना? क्या? हम लोग की कल फिटनेस क्लास थी। वैसे मशवरा आपका तो कहाँ बैठी है? आप कहाँ बैठे हो? मैं पलंग पर बैठी हूँ। अरे अरे भाई क्यों परेशान कर रहे हो? मैंने प्लान किया। डॉक्टर सब देख लेंगे हाँ? तो देख पाएगा ना मैं। देखो देखो मैंने कैमरा ऑफ है, फिर भी मैं मुस्तफा का देख सकती हूँ। नहीं नहीं हम अब्बा को बुला देंगे। अब्बा
Khadija, you have got such a pretty smile. I love it. Musfira, smile. Lovely. I love your smile, Musfira. Asiya, can you smile for me, please? Great. I love that. Omar, I want to see your teeth. Mustafa, I don't want you hiding your face. See your teeth, Mustafa. Come on. Do we all want to see Mustafa's brilliant, bright smile? Great. Okay, we're going to play a quick game now.
What is the game?
Yes, wait, give me a few seconds. I will get at it right away.
Okay. Am I able to be seen? Big number.
So we're going to do a quick warm up with numbers, okay? And I'm going to quickly mute all of you. Now that all of you are muted, the rules of, did I leave out on anybody? Okay. So the rules of the game is that, can you see the first exercise, the place value exercise on the slide right now? If yes, just give me a thumbs up. Can we see the first place value exercise on the slide? Manha? Manha, I want you to give me a thumbs up if you can see the place value exercise on the slide. Lovely. Great. Now that, so the rules of the game is that if you know the answer, just giving the answer is not enough. You have to think of a movement along with the answer. So for example, what comes after 45? 43, 44, 45, and there, as you can see, there's a blank circle next to 45. Now, I'm sure all of you have come up with the answer already, or some of you are still thinking, I don't know what the scene is. But if you know the answer, you have to think a movement along with your answer. So your movement can be anything. Your movement can be a flying bird. Your movement can be a blooming flower. Your movement can be doing the dab like a
45.
hero.
40.
No. I don't want you telling the answer. I don't want you to tell the answer yet. It's only when I ask you, you tell me the answer. Okay. As I said, just giving the answer is not enough. You have to think a movement along with your answer. that clear? And whenever you're ready, I'm going to unmute you and you're going to perform that movement along with the answer for all of us.
What
Is that clear? Lovely. So there is 43, 44, 45, and then the blank circle. I'm going to stop sharing this presentation right now so that I can see all your faces. Now, who's ready with the movement and the answer? Umar is ready? Umar, are you ready? Okay. So,
Yes.
can you do the movement and the answer for all of us? And it better be an interesting movement, okay?
I cannot see
The presentation, the
yes.
slide. So the problem was 43, 44, 40, 40. 43, 44, 45, and there's a blank circle, right? So you have to think of a movement along with your answer. Have you thought of a movement, Omar? You can't just say the answer, that's not allowed. You have to think of a movement along with your answer. If you're not ready, I'm going to move on to the next person. Asiya, are you ready? Can you do the movement for us?
Should I tell it out or
You can do the movement first and then you can give out your answer. Yes, Asiya, you can do your movement first and then you can tell your answer. Okay, can you explain your movement? What are you exactly doing?
I'm not writing 36.
Is that Asiya?
What did you say?
Have you thought of your movement along with your answer?
Yes.
Can you do it for us?
Okay.
Can you explain the movement? What are you exactly trying to do?
I drew star.
You drew a star. And can you come up with your answer now?
Yes. The answer is 46.
Lovely. Great. Who's next? Who wants to go next? Yes, Mustafa. You have to come up with your movement and then you have to give your answer. You don't have to see the screen. Here it is. And take so much time. Quick, guys.
And me.
Okay, who wants to go next? Let's give Omema a chance. Yes, Omema. Your movement first, your action first, and then your answer. You know the rules of the game.
Yes.
Yeah, go right ahead. Can you explain your movement?
Yeah, it is a 3.
It is a
3.
3. Okay. Can you think of some other action, Omema? I don't want number related actions. You could make a blooming flower. You could do the action of a river. You could do anything else.
Okay.
Just think of something interesting, guys. Mustafira, do you want to do something?
Ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Omema. Go on. What is this? Can you explain your movement to us?
Yeah, it was a dolphin.
It's a dolphin. And now you can go ahead with giving your answer. Lovely.
So it is the ma'am, I can't see the screen.
Okay. Yeah.
It is the third bucket which has.
No, I'm just asking about 43, 44, 45 right now. We are still stuck in this first problem.
Oh, so it's 46.
It's 46. Lovely. Now we are going to go to the second problem, the bucket problem. Same rules. You think of an action first and then you give your answer. It's not that simple yet. You have to show me an interesting action and then you have to come up with your answer. So there are 3 buckets given here. And the question is, which bucket is half full? The first one, the second one, or the third one? Just as I said, just giving the answer is not enough. You have to think of an action. So who's ready? Mustafa, do you have an action in mind? As I said, just giving the answer is not enough.
Me.
Yes, Mustafa. That's your action? Guys, can you explain your action? What does this mean exactly?
I can't see watering the plants.
Watering the plants. Oh, lovely. Mustafa has come up with a very interesting action. He did this, which means watering the plants. Do you water the plants at your home?
I watered. Today morning only I watered.
Oh, nice.
I water them every day.
Even I water my plants every day. I really love my plants.
I also water.
Great, Mustafa. So can you
I also do. I also have
Okay, lovely, guys. Can we listen to Mustafa's answer now? Yes, Mustafa.
The answer is the third bucket.
Why is it the third bucket? Can you explain it to us?
Because it's half.
No. Omar, let Mustafa talk. Yes. Sorry. Go ahead.
Because it's full.
Half full. Why do you? What is the meaning of half exactly? Can you explain it to me? What exactly half means? And Khadija, Musfir, I want to see your face. Zainab, I want to see your face. Salim, I want to see your face. Manha, can you tell me what does half mean? What exactly does half mean?
Right, I think, okay, except Salim. Salim is just our graphic arts designer. Others, put the camera on.
Okay, sorry.
No, it's okay.
Yes, Manha. Anyone else wants to talk about what half means? Why is it the third bucket half full?
Me.
Musfira, do you want to do some talking?
Me.
Musfira, no, you don't feel like talking today? Okay, Asiya, do you want to do some talking?
I want to.
Manha? Yeah, great. I haven't heard Manha's voice in a long time. Yes, Manha. Can you be a little louder, Manha? I can't hear you.
Half.
Adha, half means adha. Okay. Hindi mein it's adha. You're absolutely right. But what does adha mean? Adha ka matlab kya hota hai?
Half.
What does half mean? Why do you think the third bucket is half full? Why not the first and the second one? Yes, Umar, go right ahead.
The first one is full. The second one is a little bit, and the third one is half. Means when you say it's not full, means this much. This is a glass, and this much half. This much half.
Exactly. Can you see the third bucket? It's divided. It's divided into.
Because these both are equal.
Exactly. Very nice, Umar. The third bucket is divided into 2 equal parts, which makes it half full. You can see it's divided into 2 equal parts, right? Which is why the third bucket is half full. So Everything's clear right now with the second problem. Can we move on to the next problem?
Yes.
Okay, lovely.
Yes.
Let's go to the plus and minus problem. You know the rules of the game. You can't just give me the answer like that. You have to think of an interesting action before giving me the answer. Okay? So the third
Ma'am.
problem is yes.
Okay.
Okay, plus and minus. There are 10 buckets in the first category, in the first shape, and there are 4 buckets in the next section. So how much, what is 10 buckets plus 4 buckets? How many buckets would that make? Think of your answer. You have to add 10 plus 4. And as I said, just giving the answer is not enough. Think of an interesting action to go along with your answer.
Me, ma'am.
Khadija, do you know the answer?
I know the answer.
That? Can you
Fine.
yes, Manha knows the answer. Asiya, do you want to answer? Musfira also knows the answer. Let's give Musfira a chance to talk. But Musfira, you have to think of an interesting action. Yes, Musfira, go right ahead. Can you do that action for us again? What is that? Can you explain it? What that move? Can you explain what that movement means?
Beach.
It's a beach. Have you ever gone to a beach before?
I did. Yeah, I did.
Okay, Khadija has been to a beach before. Musfira, have you been to a beach before?
Yes.
It's beautiful, isn't it? All the sand and the water and the sunset and the sunrise.
Yes.
Okay, so can you come up with your answer now after that beautiful little action?
Yes. Number is 14.
14 buckets. Lovely. So how did you add exactly? Can you tell me how did you add? Share with your friends and me.
I count the 10 number, then I count the 11, 12, 13, 14.
11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, that's how you count. Lovely. Anyone else wants to give this a try? Along with a beautiful little action, of course. Musfira, I don't want to see your back. Okay, Musfira is showing me her back right now. I don't think she's interested in the session. Yes, Manha, go right ahead. Yes, Manha. Your action and then your answer. Lovely. What is that? Eagle. Is it an eagle?
Yeah.
Oh, lovely. Manha just did the action of an eagle. Can you just tell me your answer right now?
14.
14. Lovely. So all of you, beautiful movements, beautiful actions. You all are very quick with numbers. Can we move on to the next problem?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So the next problem is, as you can see, there are many doors here. There's a red door, there's a yellow door, there's a red door again, and there's a yellow door again, and there's a red door and a yellow door, and then there's a blank house, a blank spot here. Which color door you think will appear here?
Ma'am, I want to say.
With an action. You can't just say
I have
an action in mind. Okay, you all will get a chance. You all will get a chance. Okay.
Can I?
So, Mema, go ahead. action?
It's eating.
You love eating, is it, Umaima?
No.
No, you don't like eating.
Yes.
Okay, go right ahead with your answer.
It is a red door.
It is a red door. Why do you think it's a red door?
Because, ma'am, can you say this, please?
You want to see the problem? 1 second. Yeah.
Yes, it is the red door because first it's red, then yellow, then again red, yellow, red, yellow, and then there's a blank door, so it will come again red.
And red. Okay, that's a wonderful explanation. Does anyone want to give this problem a shot? Khadija, you have where is Khadija? Khadija, you haven't spoken even once. Come on, we are dying to communicate with you. Yes, Khadija, we are waiting. No, you don't feel like talking today? At least give me a nod. At least say a yes or a no. Okay, Khadija does not feel like talking to us today. Who? Mustafa, you want to give it a shot?
I want to say.
Musfira, I will come to you, but Musfira also wants to talk. Sorry, Mustafa also wants to talk. Go right ahead, Mustafa.
The red door.
Red door. And where is your action? What is that? What does that mean?
Earth. Mud. No, I am planting a tree.
Planting a tree. Lovely. Mustafa is either watering the plants or planting a tree. Great farmer if you ever intend to be a farmer sometimes. Anyone else wants to give it a shot? Khadija, you still don't want to talk? Okay, Musfira, go right ahead. Again, a bird.
Ma'am, that is the butterfly.
That is a butterfly. And come up with, lovely. It's a very beautiful little butterfly. And what's your answer?
There is the
Red door. Okay. Why do you think it's a red door?
because I don't see the screen. I don't see the.
Red door because the previous door is yellow, right?
Because last yellow, then blank. That is the. That's why there is the red.
Lovely, guys. All of you have done a beautiful job. Now we are going to go ahead with the next part of the lesson. Okay. So we are going to learn about time. What is time? How to calculate the hours and the minutes section.
Okay. I know this is very easy.
Okay, I want all of you to mute yourself. I want all of you to mute yourself. Lovely. Let me do the talking now, and you guys will also get a chance to talk in some time. So this is the hours and the minutes section. And as you can see, the shortest red hand that you can see on the clock is the hour hand. And the longer hour hand is called the minute hand. I'm sure all you guys are aware of this. Are you aware of this?
I know how to do it. I know how to
Some of you know what the hour hand is and what the minute hand is.
Yes.
The shortest hand on the clock is the hour hand and the longest hand is the minute hand. So as you can
Yes.
see, the short hand is on 8 and the long hand is on 12, which makes it 8 o'clock, right? Which makes the time 8 o'clock. It could be 8 o'clock AM, it could be 8 o'clock PM, but right now on the clock, it's 8 o'clock. Let's go to the next slide and see what happens. So when the minute hand is pointing to 12, it is showing a full hour, which is why we call the time o'clock. Remember, so when we're talking to people, don't we say 8 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock? So when it goes a full hour, we call this time o'clock, okay? Because it's completed one full hour. So can you guys tell me what will come after 1 o'clock? Just raise your hand and I'm going to unmute you.
What did you say?
What do you think will come after 1 o'clock? If you complete one full hour, what comes after 1 o'clock? Yes, Manha.
2 o'clock.
2 o'clock, lovely. After 2 o'clock?
3 o'clock.
3 o'clock, great. Great. So, do you guys have your books with you right now? Your books and your pens?
Yes, I have.
Yes, I want all of you to take out your books and your pencils.
Okay,
Quick. Your rough books, your rough spiral books.
Mine's done. I put out my math book.
No, not your math book. Yeah. Whatever Umar is there, the spiral books that you have with you. You've been given a lot of spiral books, right? On which you can do your rough work.
Diary book.
Spiral. Look at Umar's window,
one?
see what he has. Yes, the black one, the yellow one, whatever you have.
Ma'am, this one.
Mustafa, your spiral books on which you can draw something right now.
This one.
Any book on which you have a blank
black
page.
Diary. The black diary.
A book on which you have a blank page or a ruled page. Lovely, Umar. That's what I'm talking about. Yes, Manha, absolutely. Can we discuss what we have to do next now? All of you give me a quick thumbs up.
Ma'am, wait.
Quick, guys, we don't have much time. You can't take so much time. Great. Now that you're ready with your books, what I want you all to do is, I want you to create a funny face clock on which you have to draw your time. For example, if Manha wants to draw 3 o'clock, she has to make a funny face on the clock and she has to make a 3 o'clock drawing on her clock. So she will decide where the hour hand is, where the minutes hand is, and she will make a clock of her own. So you can decide your time. It could be 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, whatever it is, but it should be a funny face clock. And you could also name it if you want. Are you guys clear with your exercise? Can we quickly do this in 5 minutes without wasting much time?
Can I go and get my book?
Yes, go right ahead. But be quick. I will only give you 5 minutes for this exercise. So you guys have to be really fast with your drawings. Whoever is done can show me the drawing as soon as possible. So once you're done,
We can start.
Yes, please start.
We can draw now.
Yes, please begin. And you just get 5 minutes for this exercise. So be quick, guys. Only 5 minutes, guys. You have to be really quick with your funny face clock.
How did we make a circle?
Make a rough circle, Umaima. It does not have to be a perfectly shaped circle. You can use your free hand for doing it.
Okay. I can't get my book, so I'm doing
You can draw it on a blank paper also. You don't need a book for this.
Okay.
Just any blank paper will do. Quick, guys. The time is ticking. It's 11:35 now. I want your drawings by 11:37. So you just have 2 minutes with you now. Yes, be quick, quick, quick. Mustafa, are you done? Yeah.
We have to color it.
If you want to color it really fast, you can, but we don't have the time, right? You have to
Yes.
finish it by 11:37. Yes, Mustafa, can you show it to me? What's the time on your funny face clock, Mustafa?
10 o'clock.
10 o'clock. And can you show me the funny face properly? I can't see it. Oh, okay. So it has googly eyes. I can see your clock has these two funny little eyes, right? That's your funny face, isn't it? Can you describe your funny face for me? Can you describe it for me?
I'm not sure how to describe. Yes, we want to color. You want to color? Yes, we want to color.
You want to color, go right ahead, but you don't have much time. It's 11:37 already. You guys have to finish your work and show it to me.
Done.
So Mustafa is done with his work.
I'm also done.
Lovely, Umaima. Can you show me your funny face clock?
I just made it quickly.
You have to, because it's not very clear, you have to tell me what time it is and you have to describe your drawing.
Wait, I'll show you.
Lovely. So the tongue is sticking out of your funny face clock and it's 8 o'clock on Umaima's funny face clock. It's 8 o'clock and it's tongue sticking out kind of a funny face, right?
Yes.
Lovely. It is indeed quite funny.
And one is up and one is
Mustafa
down.
and Umaima is done. Yeah, it's quite goofy. Mustafa and Umaima is done. Who wants to go next? Yes, Musfira is also done. She's drawn a bright yellow colored clock with a smiley face.
I'm done.
Mustafa, can you show yours?
The small one is 8 and the biggest one is 12.
It's 8 o'clock on your funny face clock, isn't it?
Yes.
Lovely. I like that bright, cheerful face.
Ma'am.
Zainab is also done. Yes, Zainab. What's the time on your funny face clock?
8 o'clock.
8. And can you describe your funny face for me? You're teasing someone. You're sticking your tongue out. I can see that on the clock.
I'm done.
Lovely. Manha, can you show me your funny face clock? Oh, it's a smiling face. And it's 7 o'clock. What is the time on your clock?
खत्म नहीं.
It's what? Louder? 6:55. Well, then the short hand should be. Okay, lovely. Well, guys, who wants to go next? We are almost done with the class, so we need to wrap up. Umar, are you done? Umar, Asiya, Musfira, Zainab. Are you done?
I'm almost done.
Quick, guys. It's time to wrap up.
I'm also almost done.
Omar, show me your funny face clock. Quick. Quick, it's time to wrap up the class. Omar and Asiya, I'm just waiting for you. Yes, Asiya. What is that? Can you describe it for me? It's a piggy clock, is it?
It's a flower clock.
It's a flower clock. And what's the time on it? 8 a.m. or 8 p.m.? 8 in the morning or 8 in the evening?
8 in the AM.
AM. So 8 in the morning, is it?
Ma'am.
Lovely. Yes, Omar, I can't wait for you any longer.
Mama.
Mama, yes. I have seen your funny clock already. Yes, Musfira, I have seen your bright yellow clock. What is it? Is this 3 o'clock on your funny clock?
Yes.
Lovely. Okay, Umar, if you are not showing me your drawing in the next 2 minutes, I'm logging out.
I'm almost done.
Umar, you can't take so much time. Quick, come on. It's time to wrap up. Whatever you have done, just share it with us.
1 minute.
Quick. No, you don't have 1 minute. Quick. Okay, Umar is creating an actual masterpiece here. Yes, Umar. Waiting.
Love. Done.
Okay, tell me. Yes, you have to describe it for us. You can't just show it to me. What's the time on your clock and what is that face all about?
It is 9:15 on the clock.
15, yes.
And his name is Fluffy Face.
Fluffy face. Can you show it to us again? What's the time you said?
9:15.
9:15. Okay, your 9 is a little out of.
Oh.
Yeah, you just have to adjust your 9 out there on the clock. It's a little upper. It has to be a little niche. Okay, guys. So I'll see you in the next math class. It was lovely talking to all of you. Okay, bye. Have a great day, all of you.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye. We have to leave the meeting.
Yes.